Hi, students and families. This is our Week 8 overview for English literacy. So this week we're going to have a slightly different schedule because we've got district interim testing. I'm going to talk about that. Also, your September warm-ups are due this week. This calendar that you see here can be found in the Google Stream in the same location that you find your Zoom link, and also under Classwork resources, important quarter one information. Okay, so let's talk for a moment about your warm-ups. Now, you students, you guys have seen this several times. Before you turn in your warm-ups this week for September, please make sure that you are using 40 plus words and complete sentences in your answers so I can give you full credit. So what's different about this week? Well, this week we've got a district interim test. And I'm going to change some things up. There's not going to be any workbook work this week. You'll be working on your test instead, but you will be filling out a daily Week 8 daily work record form to earn points where you will document and explain exactly what you worked on during class. Word training for this week only is only homework, and I'm dropping your time to 40 minutes for the week, and I'm not requiring a completed lesson. If, however, you get more than 60 minutes or 60 plus minutes and or complete a lesson at 80% or better, I'm going to count it as extra credit. And believe me, a number of you want extra credit. So the only requirement is 40 minutes of word training on the clock. Anything above that, 60 minutes or more, and also completing a lesson or 2 or 3 at 80% or better are all going to count as extra credit for this week only, because we've got the district interim test. Okay, so what is the district interim test? Well, you're going to be taking it on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And basically this test is given to all students in the district. And the district's looking at it and I'm looking at it. So the district's looking at it for English language learner reclassification and looking for student progress, all students. What am I going to use it for? Well, I'm going to be using it for planning for third quarter because I don't want to waste your time teaching you guys something you already know how to do. And the test is going to show me if you know how to do these skills or not. And they're based on the state standards. I'm also going to use it to see if anyone qualifies to move out of Language Live, because we based placements into Language Live on the benchmark tests, which not everybody got to finish, and also based on previous year's state testing scores and information. Some of you, however, I think may not need to be in this class, but I don't have any data that shows that. So this interim test can show me if you have the reading skills that are needed to move out of this class. So I expect you to take it seriously. No one should finish the test on Tuesday. Most of you will finish it on Wednesday or Thursday. Okay, so let's take a look at what your Week 8 is going to look like in Classwork. So remember, you can always find your daily work here under Work List for Independent Work Time today. You're going to have 2 different warm-ups here. You're going to have your September warm-ups that are due on September 30th, which is Wednesday. And then you're going to have your October warm-ups that are for the 9 days of the quarter that are left for October. So there's, or no, not, yeah, 10. All right, Monday, 9:28, entrance and exit. That's what you're working on now. I am going to give you a quiz on this video on Monday's class, so be ready for that. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, at the end of class, I will be telling you need to complete this document, okay? So you have a series of activities you can complete. The first one you need to complete is the district interim test. Again, no one will finish Tuesday unless they want me to reset it and they can retake it because it's a 2-day long test. After a student finishes the district interim test on Wednesday or Thursday, then they can have productive work time to work on anything that helps your grade in any class. You can also choose to work on word training. That is your homework for the week. Or if you're all caught up in your classes and you've got all your word training minutes, you can go to this website called Wonderopolis, and you'll read an article to learn about interesting topics. But this website is for students who are all caught up on everything. This is not an actual assignment. This is something kind of enjoyable to do if you are all caught up in all your classes. So the week 8 daily work record, you're going to put your first and last name, select which period you're in, and then you are going to tell me, what did you work on English class? And here are your 4 choices. What went well for you in English class today? And what do you need to work on for English class tomorrow? And again, here are your 4 choices. And you'll turn that in on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 4 points. Your homework assignment is to do word training. Once you have 40 minutes on the clock, and remember that's only for this week, 40 minutes on the clock, you can turn in this assignment by answering the question. If you need me to reset an assignment, add it as a private comment. Don't answer the question with that. You can't undo it once you turn that in. So as a private comment, tell me if you need me to reset a word training lesson. Also, if your mic is not working, use this Flipgrid link to record your fluency for lessons 2 and 4 and for the goals. All right. Okay, so those are our activities for week 8. Go ahead and work on filling out, answering the questions on slide 3. Hi, students and families. This is our week 8 overview for English literature. Let's try that again. How about that? So, okay. Try that again. Forgot there's one more, huh?